All right, with the reset on Microsoft ClipChamp, anytime you're recording video, maybe with your Microsoft ClipChamp desktop app or on the web, everything gets backed up on OneDrive automatically on your OneDrive account. And if you don't have much storage space, it may be discomforting to you. Okay, if you don't have much storage space on your OneDrive, you may not like that. Or maybe you feel like this is waste of mobile data for us that use mobile data. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to configure any video you are recording so that it doesn't get backed up on OneDrive automatically. Let's use our web browser. So here I will launch my Microsoft Edge. Then I will visit apps.clipchamp.com and log in. app.clipchamp.com. So I'll click on continue with Microsoft. Okay, once you log in successfully, you'll be on this interface. Now, with the recent update, there is no room for you to start creating folders where you have related videos. That's one of the changes we see. But to ClipChamp, if you're watching this video, we need that back so that it will help us organize our videos. Please, okay? Then let's proceed to what you're here for. So click on create a new video. All right, so once you're on this page, the next step is to click on this place where you have video project one and give it a name, or better still, before you give it a name, click on this OneDrive icon. All right, click there. Once you click here, you can see that all media backed up to OneDrive, all media backed up to OneDrive is selected. Please toggle off this. All right, once you toggle it off, then go here, select rename, and give this a title. Okay, I can call it anything I want to call it, maybe Word or MS Word. All right, just give it any name of your choice. Okay, then you click on record and wait for it to load. Then select camera or screen or audio, depending on what you want to record. So once you finish recording, the file will be downloaded locally into your computer.